Hey everyone, how's it going? In this video we are going to unbox the POCO X3 Pro, and this is the retail unit that I have. So let's get started.
And as it says here, this is the main highlight of the device. This is the Qualcomm Snapdragon 860 power device, and it is basically identical to the 2-year-old Snapdragon 855 Plus. It is made in India, and on the side they have mentioned that it has a 120Hz display. Now let's open this box up. Whoosh, whoosh. So this is the POCO branding here. So let's take this off. There's a device here, but let's have a look at what is actually here provided. So as you can see here is the SIM ejection tool, and we have the user guide here which nobody reads, and this is the plastic case. So let me just take this off. So this is basically one of those cases which gets yellowish after some use but seems fine, and they also have a flap here to provide some water resistance. From the inside it's kind of like sticky, but that's fine. I hope it doesn't scratch my phone. And for some reason there's dust inside this box. I don't know if this is repackaged or something. Now for the moment of truth. So this is the POCO. As you can see here, so it has a different texture, and here is the device. Let me just power it on. As you can see here, this is the fingerprint scanner, and it has charge. And I don't know if you can notice, but this has a pre-applied screen protector, so that's really great. And on the top you have the IR blaster, you have the secondary microphone. On the side you have the SIM tray, and as you can see here, it has a hybrid slot configuration. Here you have volume up and down button, and on this side you have this, and on the bottom you have this jack. So let me just set up this device and I'll come back to you later. And here we have the cable, and this is the 33-watt fast charger. So it's great to see that they are providing this within the box. And as you can see here, this is a 33-watt adapter, and it looks really solid, but it is quite heavy. And this also supports power delivery standard.